if Ruby knew how to make. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to the channel. This is Xavier, and today we're gonna be watching the Christmas special of Doctor Who. It's listed as special 4 on the Disney Plus website, but we'll ignore that. It's the Christmas special. We haven't had a Christmas special for a while, not since the start of Jodie's run as the Doctor. We got New Year's special instead for her, but now with Ncuti as the 15th Doctor, we are now back to a Christmas special. It's called The Church on Ruby Road, something like that. Yeah. We'll see when the title comes up. I don't remember. But yeah, so last time we watched 14 by January the 15th, so we still have 14 as Tennant, still as the Doctor out there. And now we're going to be having, he's with Donna's family and everything. And now 15 is back off on his own adventures. Last time we saw him, he didn't have clothes on. We had clothes on, but not a lot of clothes. And so we know the new companion's name is Ruby Sunday. And yeah, last time I saw the trailer, and he was in some like club dancing, and he was in some. After that, he was like some brown, like cool clothes and everything, and then he was hanging out with Ruby and everything. There was like goblins and a whole lot of adventure and all that. So let me just read the synopsis and then we just get into it. So it says, long ago on Christmas Eve, a baby was abandoned in the snow. Today, Ruby suddenly meets the Doctor, goblins, stolen babies, and perhaps the secret of her birth. Let's get into it.
Once upon a time, late on Christmas Eve, a stranger came to the church on Ruby Road. She carried in her arms the most precious gift of all. A newborn child, a baby girl. Just before midnight, she left her daughter on the steps of the church.
Okay then.
The child was taken in, and they named her Ruby after the place where she was found.
Midnight.
As for the mother, she was never seen again. A time traveler came to call, a traveler known as the Doctor.
Interesting. Okay, I guess so. What we saw there was near the end of the episode, I think, and we're gonna pick up now at the start. I think that's how it's gonna go. The church on Ruby Road.
That's where I was found almost 19 years ago. So life's been good, would you say? Yeah, not bad.
So is this interview about this Carla person, or is it about Ruby? Or like there's some documentary, like some interview program about Carla or is it about Ruby? I don't know. We'll see.
I mean, it's what I am. I was foundled.
I love that.
Yeah, foundled.
Founded, okay. Interesting word.
So, Ruby, the reason why we make this show is to see if we can help.
Oh, it's trying to find our parents?
Foundlings were left without a trace, but
Oh, I think that's what it is.
were magic with DNA. So, we've taken your sample and we're going to use it to help track your genetic heritage. We found, and we have to respect that.
Oh, these are the goblins.
Just the truth.
Oh my god, are you okay?
What? Oh, they were trying to kill her? Okay, so basically weeks later. Okay, so the Doctor is definitely scoping her out, following her for some reason. Okay, nice moves. He's got the moves. That was quick.
Thank you. But you were just...
Yeah, exactly.
Gin and tonic division. Can I ask, does that happen to you a lot? Knocking things over?
Oh, all the time, but I'm just clumsy.
No, you're not. It's worse than that.
Oh yeah, they are trying to kill her. Oh!
Get back! Please! Go! A pram? At midnight?
Yeah! Midnight with a pram?
Really?
Oh, okay.
Shocking.
Alright, okay. We need to get snippy or chill.
Name, the doctor. Occupation, not a doctor. Current status, just passing by. Employer, myself. Address, that blue box over there. Now, if you don't mind, I just got snowman and I would like to go home.
Is the policeman gonna go in the box with him?
She's gonna say yes.
Who is?
Your girlfriend, when you ask her to marry you on Christmas Day.
How do you know that?
It's my sonic screwdriver just went ping,
That's a screwdriver.
which is sonic. And that precise ping is detecting a 2-carat diamond in your pocket, which says engagement ring, and I'm guessing that she's a she, because 91% of men wouldn't choose a diamond. Plus Christmas Day, it's obvious.
But how do you know she'll say yes?
Because the sales start on Tuesday, and you just couldn't wait. And that is why she loves you. Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's nice. Off the dock. Give him a bit of confidence.
She says yes.
He's not even worried about the disappearing box. Just that she says yes.
The same. How am I supposed to get round that great big thing of the morning?
I hope you don't mean me.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Rube.
So, what is that thing?
Police box. I haven't seen one on the streets of London for 50 years, and I don't want to see one now.
Well, season of goodwill and all that. Hey, try not to kill each other.
The goblins really don't like her, man.
We're having a baby!
No way, you kidding?
Little girl.
Seriously?
Isn't it brilliant? All of a rush. I couldn't say no.
She's called Lulu Bell.
Lulu Bell.
Oh, I'm terrible.
Yes, very terrible.
Terrible.
Yes.
Merry Christmas, Cherry. We should really get you a ground floor flat.
Not moving.
Alright, okay. Cherry is not into it at all.
Rule number 1. Don't lose the baby.
I'll try my best. Nice to hear from you.
Look, it's not great timing. And it's not good news, I'm afraid.
They can't find anybody.
Okay, sorry, I get it. I'm sorry. And it's really very kind of you to let me know yourself.
Look, there is something else I'd like to ask you.
Yeah, that sucks for Ruby. Found out there's nothing.
I've been in accidents, collisions. I've even been trampled by a moose.
A moose?
A moose to chat, a moose to chat, a moose to chat chat.
Tell me how I can make it stop.
If Ruby knew how to.
Sooner or later, and next time, it might be.
Ish. Did that just. Did they kill her? I think they stole the baby.
Your face?
Yeah.
It's bad.
Perfect companion. Willing to go into danger.
Who are you? Did you just hiss at me? Was that a hit?
Yes, it was a hit.
Tell you, I'm not.
Yeah. The baby is more important right now. The baby.
In the sky, and you thought, yeah, I'll give that a go, babe.
They've got the baby!
Yeah, exactly.
Saw the friction and the weight and the burn, so I got rid of that. gloves are kind of super kinetic transfer of mass. That's better.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's super cool.
Density and gravity exists in the glove, not in you.
Super gloves.
Yeah, they're pulling us in.
Yeah, they're keeping the word Mavity. It's basically a pirate ship. So basically they're pirates. They said they eat.
And what would they do to us?
Oh, they'll eat us too.
Yeah, I expect so. Yeah, makes sense. Oh, see, they're basically pirates, yeah.
Oh, but it's Lulubelle's birthday. That's such a brilliant name.
No, it's not.
Learn the language. That's why they went after Lulubelle. Coincidence is what makes the baby tasty. That's how these goblins work. Chance and coincidence and luck.
Wait, so they caused my accidents? Were they trying to kill me?
No, it's more like if you walk through a day without any bad luck, that's fine. That day's nothing. But if you have lots of accidents, it stitches you in, it weaves you into the day. You become all complicated and knotted and vivid. All of it leading up to a baby on Christmas Eve.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's like a tapestry. It's gorgeous.
Okay, so they weren't trying to kill her. Alright. Cool.
They are not time travelers. Excuse me.
Well, excuse me, but I think you got my chair.
Time travelers are great. Like the best. Like, wow. This lot just bimble.
So if they're bimbling.
What? Is that a real word, bimbling?
We're circling back to your flat. The pattern is closing. We better hurry up.
Yes, well, if you gave
I'm learning the vocabulary of rope.
Seeing the screwdriver in action, I don't dislike it as much, but I'm not a fan of it. Okay, so I knew there was a song, but I didn't actually listen to the song. So this is interesting to say the least.
Baby, we can feast. We can dine 3 days at least. Baby blood and baby bones. Baby butter for the baby's skull. Eat the baby and some salt. That's seasoning powdered.
Hey, at least they're using seasoning. I really love that. Love it. Not the baby eating, but they're not making it bland. I appreciate that.
You can eat me. He makes me swear.
Okay. Yeah. They're not fans of you, bro.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
The Goblin King, oh the Goblin King. It's so good to meet you, you great big thing. I can see you're having a fun day. Meet my friend, she's Ruby Sunday.
It's good to meet you, good to greet you, good to say how diddly dee
Love the glove, Ruby, love the glove.
And who is this young fellow when he's at all?
Hi, I'm the doctor.
The last time I saw Doctor, he tried to murder me, so you stay away.
Cherry Sunday.
Like a tasty treat.
Yes, I'll see you later, Cherry, okay?
Cherry is smitten.
You've got the biggest family in the world.
I have. What about you?
I've got no one.
Walk on. Can't get a cup of tea around here by love and harmony.
You get your packet of humbugs. Like Scrooge. Tis the season.
What's this?
What's that supposed to be?
Is it an eye?
Yeah, it's an eye.
You can wonder about your parents, but I wonder who I'd be without you.
I'm adopted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only found out recently.
That's a coincidence.
Oh, don't be silly.
Yeah, no coincidence. No coincidences, please.
Don't you just want to eat her up?
Oh, and that's a coincidence. Oh, no, don't move, don't move, don't move!
No, don't move.
Oh boy.
Now tell me, what the hell just happened?
Maybe we should sit you down and tell you a Christmas story. Huh? What'd you think, Ruby?
Where's Ruby?
Ruby?
Oh, they took Ruby.
No, I mean your daughter Ruby.
Who's Ruby?
Your granddaughter is called Ruby.
There is no bikini in this home. We were never so blessed.
Oh no.
Christmas Day, Mum's asleep by 3, and I'll be all on my own. Why would I want a daughter when I'm happy as I am?
You're not happy.
Then why are you crying?
Exactly. You are not happy at all. That's very clear.
I don't know.
Yeah, because you miss Ruby. That's why you're crying.
Why are you?
Oh, okay, and this is where we've left off at the start. Not a lot left in it. Oh, wow. Where is he dragging it down more? Oh, wow. Oh!
Damn! He ain't gonna be in Rush Hour 3.
They went there, they killed him.
Happy birthday, Ruby.
Oh, the person is still there. Is he gonna go after her? After him or her? Them? Or is he just gonna let it go? You let it go. Okay.
Oh, there you are! Oh!
And next time.
Oh, this. Okay. Okay, thank you, Doctor.
You saved my life.
Merry Christmas, Davina McCall.
What's wrong?
Just wondering. Maybe I'm the bad luck.
Nah, mate, you're not.
How could he? And then he spoke about time travelers, and then he.
Yeah.
Mrs. Flood, did you see that there was a man and he was about so high and amazing in a big leather coat? What do you mean?
He's still there. In the TARDIS. Okay, Mrs. Flood. Is she more than she's letting on? I don't know. Kinda suspicious. Kind of suspicious.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Yeah, it's big on the inside, Ruby. It's bigger on the inside.
Good luck, Ruby.
Is Mrs. Flood the person who dropped her off?
Who are you?
I'm the doctor.
It just disappeared.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Abdul. Stop making such a fuss. Never seen a TARDIS before.
Who's that? What was that? I have thoughts. Alright, so that was the church on Ruby Road. Interesting. I think I need to record something a bit later, detailing some further thoughts, but as it is now, it was a nice little Christmas special. I wasn't enthralled. It was a nice introduction to Ruby, an introduction to the Doctor. We get a sense of his personality. He's a bit of a charmer. Likes a bit of fun. He's more, I don't know, vivacious, more lively than past Doctors. More suave and more confident. You know, he's kind of like a hero archetype, more like in this. So far, only see this one episode, but he's more physicality. But he's younger, so younger than Tennant, younger than Jodie, younger than Capaldi. He's more like Matt Smith. He's more Matt Smith like with the energy I think, but more confident than that. Yeah. Ruby. So we find out she's an orphan. She's adopted. But you know, she's got some friends. She's just like a cool, everyday person. You know, just, she's like 19, 20, something like that. You know, she's just like a regular person, basically. Nothing extraordinary about her so far. Except that we do know that she doesn't have any family outside of her adoptive parents, adoptive mom and grandmother. So that's interesting. I think we'll delve deeper into that. But I like Ruby so far from what we've seen of her. Cherry is definitely Jamaican. I don't know if she's Jamaican by birth or she's Jamaican by descent, but she's definitely Jamaican. I can tell by the accent. It's apparent, and the words that she used. So yeah, Jamaican representation. Love to see that. Following on from Mary C. Cole that we saw in Jodie's run recently. So, you know, in the Russian Crimean thing, that episode. Yeah, so that's with the Centaurans, so that's good. Anything else? Yeah, I liked it. I didn't love it. I rated like a 6.57 out of 10. That's initially. Bear in mind, this is late in the day. I've had some audio problems. So if my mind isn't working right now, that's why. But yeah, I liked it. There's nothing really to tell about that. Oh, Mrs. Flood. There's something off about her. I don't know. She seems all-knowing and she winks at the camera. There's something about her. Something about Mrs. Flood. So let's do a little search on who, if the actress had been in Doctor Who before, and I'm not seeing that she was in Doctor Who before. I see some theories about who Mrs. Flood is and everything. I didn't actually read the theories, just still saw people, some headlines about the forums and articles and stuff like, who is Mrs. Flood and thing. So people have been talking. This is like hours, this like basically what, 12 hours, whatever, after episode air, so like almost a full day, so yeah, like 18 hours or so since after there, so I get why there are theories already, because I'm like thinking like that person is definitely coming back. Mrs. Flood is definitely coming back. She has some part to play. Nobody just, but she was too all-knowing. She was basically encouraging Ruby to go with the doctor. She's not a regular next door neighbor. She's probably like some kind of guardian. Yeah, she's probably like some kind of guardian who was looking out for Ruby. And so maybe she's some kind of time lady, time lord, or some affiliate, but yeah, there's something about her. So I don't have any theories right now, except that maybe she's like a guardian, and maybe she was the person who dropped off Ruby, so something to note. But yeah, think about it. Yeah, otherwise, another thing with this episode was like the goblins. CGI was fine for the most part for that. The Goblin King, I didn't really like it. It was more like the Hobbit in terms of the character design for the Goblin King. So not really a fan there, but overall they were fine. I liked what they were doing with the goblins, and the song was catchy. It had a little vibe, it had a little oomph to it. And I like anything else really, like the chemistry between Ruby and the Doctor. It's there a bit, I like it. I'm not judging anything right now. I'll wait till the actual series, the show start, episode start. This was just a Christmas special. I wouldn't say it's the best ever Christmas special. We might need to do a rewatch or something, but initial thoughts, yeah. Maybe if I have more stuff to say, I'll say it here. Right, so it's important to note that Russell T Davies has confirmed that Mrs. Flood and Ruby's parents will play a bigger part in the series to come in April, so that's good to know. And it's not just we're speculating out of nowhere. But yeah, so this is being recorded. This it's been edited a few days after I watched it on, what was it, Tuesday morning. So yeah, fine. But just to know, I don't really have any further thoughts. I just like the first full thing we're seeing of the Doctor, that we're seeing of Ruby, and I wait to see more and how the family plays a further part. And yeah, so that's just it. Otherwise, bye.